You are trying to replace the earpads on your Corsair HS80 headset. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's start. Okay, let's start. Now, thankfully, Corsair has made it super simple to remove and install these earpads. It just might be a little tricky in the second time, but once you get a hold of it, it's super simple. So this is the right side. All right, for the right side, when you hold it in front of you, you want to twist it away from you. You saw, so I went here. That removed the cushion. In order to put it back, you twist it towards you, okay? For the left side, since I flipped it like that, I'm just gonna twist it towards me and the ear pad is out. By the way, this is easier right now because I've already did it several times, but if it's the first time that you are removing the cushion, it might feel like you're about to break it. Also, if it's too hard, you might be pulling it to the wrong side. So try the other side first and then see if that's the right side. But the first time was a little bit tougher than this. Now I'm going to replace these cushions with our Wicked cushions. If you want to hear more about our Wicked cushions, just stay to the end of this video and I'll explain a little bit. So I'm going to use our black camo design, and for the other side, I will use our 90s black. So just like the original, you will find out which one is the right side and which one is the left side by looking at the little thing right here. I'm trying to see, maybe you can see it, but it will say right or left. And also, if you can't see or you can't find the right or left symbol, just notice this is a very unique shape that you see. I'll move this out of the frame so it can focus. This is a very unique shape. And then the same shape is on the headset cup itself. So you're gonna see if it's gonna fit. Now you see that this one doesn't fit. That means this is the right side. Okay? You see, perfect fit. Same pattern of the shape. What you're going to do is you're going to start a little bit tilted like this, not straight on top of the shape. You're gonna start a little bit tilted and then you twist it. All right, so on the right side, in order to remove it, we twist it away from us. In order to install it, we twist it back towards us. Okay, so the right one is on. Now let's see, where's the left one? So this is not the left one, this is actually the left one. Cool. So do the same. Now the left one is going to be the opposite of the right. Instead of pulling towards you to install, you're going to push it. All right. So we're going to start like this, and then we're just going to push it towards it until it can't go anymore. And that is it. Cushions are fully installed. So as you can see, these are our Wicked cushions. They come in various designs. Let me tell you some of the differences that they have. This is the original, this is our Wicked cushions. First of all is the thickness. As you can see, these are slightly thicker than the original. They will prevent your ears from touching the inside drivers. Now these are fully cloth velour. Not everybody likes velour, it can get a little hot. These are made with airweave material on top, PU leather on the sides, and cooling gel layers on the top side and on the inside. By the way, you can also see the ear opening on the original is much smaller than the ear opening on our cushions. If you want to give them a try, simply click the link in the top right corner right now or in the description below and let us know what you think. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.